As the great galactic empire moved across the galaxy with its brand of order and fear, few stood up to the tyranny of the empire. However, as the years passed, pockets of resistance grew, working in secret against the empire. With the growing resistance and an increase in firepower, a rebel alliance was formed. This set the stage for a galactic conflict. These are the stories from the men, women, and humanoids of the Galactic War.
It was like nothing I had ever seen. He moved slowly and methodically across the battlefield as if he already knew what was going to happen. At first, we weren't worried. I mean, how could one man, no matter how much black he wore, take down an entire unit? Not to mention he was so far away and seemed to move at an Eope's pace. Then, it happened. We were focused down on an enemy trooper unit, trying to get our Z6 in range to do some damage, when suddenly we were being moved against our will towards him. Within seconds, he wiped out my entire unit. The only reason I survived is because I ran, and he seemed to be more concerned about the commander anyways. That red light will haunt me until my dying days.
Join us next time for stories from behind the lines.